Today we're going to explore Koh Samet, and it will take us just a few minutes to get there, maybe about 10 to 12 minutes. And I'm going to show you how the island looks like. Yes, it's like Boracay in the Philippines, but with 14 beaches. That's why you have to pay 200 baht if you want to enter. So we're going to Kesaban Pier through the shuttle of Novotel, and that's Berna. Ready for action, Berna. Okay, so we bring down our bags through the Novotel shuttle, and we're going to buy some tickets, Berna. Okay. Ang ganda ng opisinang nito. Oh, bakit mo? Ayan oh, panay buhangin oh. Ayun si Berna, nakaupo na. Lapitan natin. Okay. Anong balita, Berna? Ano? Sea Queen pala to. Sea Queen ang ating resort. Kanya pala. O yan. Saan yung island? Ayun. Ayun ang island. Oh. Saan kami pupunta? Yung island na yan. Yan ang Koh Samet. O Koh Samet. Oh. Ayan. Sayang, may reflection lang. Dito kami galing eh. Umikot kami rito. Pero yung patayan nandito. Ayan. We'll explore. Okay, so sabi ni Berna, in 20 minutes aalis kami. Ang ganda pala ng opisina nitong itong resort nila. Ayan, Sea Queen ang pangalan. Bagong-bagong resort. Brand new. Ang ganda ng office ng Sea Queen, no? Ayan ang mga boats nila. Okay, sa wakas. Ano yung mga bag namin? At aalis na kami. Pupunta na kami sa Koh Samet. Ang ganda ng office niya, oh. Berna.
Yan.
Yung mga bag natin. Okay, sige. Oh, ito siguro boatman. Oh. Yan, labas na kami. Excited na mag-boat. Berna, yung dagat. Nasa likod mo na, Berna, oh. Nasa likod mo na yung dagat. Sa wakas. Nakita na ng dagat. Mga islands, oh. Daming islands talaga ng Thailand. Lapad ng kalye, ah. Galing. Dito sa Rayong. Yun, come again. Sabi niyo sa'yo. May macro, oh. Daming supermarket. Ito, papasok lang sa pier. Hindi na kailangan maganda. Tuloy kami sa pier, ah. Wala nang lakad-lakad, ah. Berna, smile naman. Mga bangka din, oh. Gusto mo mag-bangka, oh. Pwede rin mag-speedboat. Siyempre, mas mahal. Speedboat ka. Pwede sa budget. Sa totoo lang, yung mga wooden bangka niyan, okay na yan. Diba, Berna? Diba? Okay na yung mga wooden bangka, oh. Yan, oh. Problema ng speedboat. Maob yan. Patay. Ganda ng pier niya. Laki, ah. Pwede po pumasok yung sasakyan, oh. Style, kumakamit lang. Ito na. Nagmamanyobra na lang. Ayan, mga boats, ang dami. Mas gusto ko yung mga wooden boats. Sana sa wooden boat kami. Dami palang mga boats talaga rito. Baba na. Baba na si Berna Baron. Ganda ng pier niya. Yan pala ang pangalan ng boat namin, the Sea King. Parang yati na rin yan. Maganda rito, may mga may mga tinatawag na seafoods restaurant kasi pier, sayang hindi namin nakita yung mga seafood restaurant. Ito, style Pinoy, parang tricycle, oh. Ayan, yung mga nagtitipid, sumakay ng tricycle. At least kami, sumakay ng jeep. Ayan, si Berna, nauna na, nagmamadali na si Berna para makakuha ng magandang upuan si Berna, oh. Naunang pumila, oh. Ako naman, sa likod lang niya. Oh, ingat Berna, ingat, ingat. Alang, mahirap umakyat sa boat. May life vest para safe. Ito, si Kapitan, si Kapitan. Mapupuno kaya to, Berna? Tingin mo, mapupuno to? Tayo lang? Aba, okay, parang private boat. Yan ang pier, oh. Paalis na kami. Yan ang pier nila. Kaya lang, nabalitaan ko, maraming palang pier dito, hindi lang isa. So dito tayo sa Nuan Trip Pier, katabi ng Ban Phe Pier. So let's enjoy the boat ride here in Rayong. So yan ang Ban Phe Pier kasi yan ang public pier na may mga murang boats. Yes, yan ang sasabi kong wooden boat na much cheaper kung pupunta ka ng Koh Samet, or pwede ka rin mag-speedboat. Marami kasing pier. Berna, sa wakas, paalis na rin tayo. Punta na tayo sa Koh Samet. Ang daming pier talaga, oh. Iba-ibang pier talaga, sikat na talaga si Koh Samet. Lalagyan natin sila ng bridge. Doon yung sasabi kong murang boat, safe pa, oh, yung wooden boat. Itong boat natin, safe na safe. So you're looking at Koh Samet right now. It's a very beautiful island, like what I said. It looks like Boracay. Boracay looks like a bone, and this is the smallest island you can find nearest to Rayong, and it's very famous right now. Okay, ito na yung dulo ng island, oh. Panay beaches pala, oh. Ganda. Bilis natin makarating, oh. Sandali lang, less than 10 minutes. Okay, dito na kami, ganda ng pier nila, oh. Oh, may malaking statue sa harapan, oh. Ganda. Yan yung nakikita ko sa mga vlog ng iba, oh. Ayan, oh, wini-welcome ka ng malaking, may story yan, Berna, eh. Wini-welcome ka ng, yan, oh, wini-welcome ka ng malaking yan, yung parang made of stone o made of brass. Ayan yung mga mumurahin na boats. Slow boat to China nga lang, pero very safe yan, no? Ang laki pala nitong pier na to. Oh, wow, meron pa siyang catamaran, no? Galing. Berna, bilis po, nakalabas. Wala, pangalan Samed Port, pero actually Koh Samet ito, pero tinatawag na Samed Port. So ayan, dami talagang bisita rito. Click na to. Kumbaga sa Manila, nagpunta ka ng Puerto Galera, baka yan ang hotel namin by the pier, oh, Sea Queen. Grabe, daming tao. Yan ang problema pag bumabiyahe ka, kailangan ready ka magbuhat ng bag mo. Mabuti, I'm young enough. Haba ng pila, oh. Pero kami, pinapa-shortcut kami, oh. Yes. Pinapa-shortcut kami. Galing. Ito, baka may babayaran na kasi national park to, eh. Pero tinatanong ni Berna, oh, ayan ang mga binabayaran. Sea Queen. Anong binayaran mo, Berna? Hindi ba kasama yun sa sa hotel? Baka binayaran ng hotel, magdoble bayad natin. Anyway, ayan ang beach. Hindi beach yan, pier yan. Yes, this is I would say a national park, or a national something that you need to pay 200 baht per person. Wala dyan, magbabayad ng national park entrance na 200 to maintain the beautiful island. Ito, dito kumikita yung island, no? Yung mga nagbabayad. Yan panay foreigner. Pag foreigner, may bayad. Pagka Thai people yata, parang free yata. Tignan natin, ha? Ayan ang mga binabayaran, no? 100 pag Thai, half the price. Galing. Alright, so we are in another paradise called Koh Samet, and this is what you can see when you get out. Oh, there are taxis. Oy, so many restaurants. This is nice. We're going to enjoy. Oh, these are the maybe they call the tuk-tuk. Yes, first time to be here, and the next island will be Sriracha, but let's discover this place first. What does this mean? He's probably giving some signals. Very nice place. Siguro sa gabi ang ganda rito. I think this place must be very nice, especially at night. And I think Berna was right. Our resort is just beside the pier, so we are kinda lucky because we can save. This is the most important. I think this is 400 per day if you're going to rent motorcycle. That's the best way to explore this island. Taxi boat. Yes. Sometimes it's good that you're beside the airport or just right beside the island. Oh, small streets and a motorcycle is the best. Okay, parang Puerto Galera, Sea Queen is our resort. Binuot na yung bag namin. Ayun, yung mama. This is going inside our resort, the Sea Queen. We're almost inside Sea Queen, but I want to see again the map of Sea Queen. Oh, ang daming islands, oh. Those are the islands beside it. And so many of them. And normally, the names of the islands, they start with Ko. Merong Ko. Like this is Koh Samet. This is Sea Queen, Koh Samet. Let's go closer. This is the tip of the island. And there's a private beach there. You can see, I think that's expensive there. Let's see that. There's actually 14 beaches. There it says Aulung. Wait, this is Awai. Aulung Dam. Ao Sang Tian. Together with the Sunset Point. And then Awong Duan. Look, it's a nice cove. Awacho, Aonuan. And everything's forested there with lime roa taek. Parang tae, no? And then another beach. This is Ao Tupin, Ao Putsa, Ao Pai. And then this is our beach, Saikau Beach. And then Laem Yai. Okay, so nice. Laem Ao Sabparod, Laem Lukyon. And then up here, let's go closer. Ilaw yun. Now done. Oh, now done pier. Oh, those are piers. Oh, this is a very beautiful resort. I mean to say, this is a very beautiful island. Of course, the resort is nice. And this is the only beach on the west side on Ao Prao, but they have a beautiful sunset. These are the islands right across it. So many of them. As you can see, they're all entitled Kaho. And that's north, south, east, west. Correct? And you have to know where the sunset is. If it's in the north, south, east, or west. So basically, that area is the west, where you can get the sunset, and this is the east, where I suppose you can get the sunrise. It's very, very nice. Look at that island. It's like Boracay already. Here at the Sea Queen. Oh. Welcome drink? Oh, sige, sige. Oh, there's a nice swimming pool. Oh, okay. Oh, overexposed. May billiard table, oh. Oh, nice swimming pool here. Okay. So let's check it out. The rooms are on top. It's a letter U. I have rooms there. And then, I'm sure that's a restaurant right in front. Okay, so yung welcome drink, Berna. Welcome drink muna tayo. Okay, yan. Good service. Good service by Sea Queen, no? Binuwat na yung bag. Feeling ko dito parang parang style Puerto Galera. Dinadaan natin yung mga isda. Second floor pala tayo. Uy, pangit ng aming mga katabi. Okay, may dagat naman. There's a sea, but hopefully the room is okay. Ano ba itsura ng room? We have a nice room. Oh, it's clean. Most important, it's... Hindi mo binigyan ng tip?
Binigyan.
Oh, binigyan mo.
Pesos.
Oh.
Baka ito lang side table.
Oh, yan. At least may view. Ayun ang pier, oh. Tama ka. Ayun ang pier. Well, it's a nice king-size bed, but this is quite small, Berna. This may be only about 15 square meters. Well, check natin yung aking balcony. Kasama balcony siguro 20 square meters. Importante, ayun ang pier. Okay? Mayroong restaurant. That's a swimming pool. And those are the cottage. Oh, I mean to say the rooms. Again, well, location is good. So back to the room. Ano itsura ng banyo, Berna? Ito yung maliit. Yung banyo maliit. Pero okay na rin. Pag naligo ka, mababasa ka. Oo, yan. Pag naligo ka, basa ka.
Parang Puerto Galera.
Oo, parang Puerto Galera. Oo. Okay na yan. Okay na yan. Let's rest, chill out. And thank you for watching.